Hi everyone, I have a question for you. Do you have the tools, time, patience, and experience to accurately put together ready-to-assemble products? Well, you will after reading beyond the instructions. Now, before I get started, I wanted to let you know a little bit about my background for the last 40 years. I have been an assembler in manufacturing processes, an engineering technician on injection molding machines, and for the last 15 years, I have been a technician in a very niche but unknown industry, which is all about assembly, installation, and repair of ready-to-assemble products. You know what I'm talking about, the products that come in a box that seem to have 1,000 pieces in them, and actually sometimes they do. Along with my being a technician for the last 40 years, I have also been employed as a corporate manager with 3 different national assembly companies that are in the product assembly industry. As a corporate manager, I wore many different hats, from business development, recruiting, and managing hundreds of technicians. Along with, of course, I have trained even more professional technicians over the last 8 years than anyone else in this industry combined. That same informational foundation that I laid for all of the technicians that I have trained over the years is right here in Beyond the Instructions. What I have done from all of my years of experience and teaching is compiled all of that information right here in this book. The great thing about Beyond the Instructions is you do not need to read it from cover to cover. This book can easily be used as a reference manual on how to read and understand the manufacturer's instructions, along with some definitions and tips and tricks that will help you get the job done right the first time and much easier. After reading the book, let's say that you decide that you really don't want to assemble your own products. But again, that's probably because you don't have the tools, the time, patience, or experience. Well, that's okay, because the book still has value with a chapter on hiring a professional, and what that means is, after reading Beyond the Instructions, if someone tells you that they are a professional assembly technician, you should truly know whether they are or are not. In closing, for any individual with a mechanical aptitude that sees potential in this lucrative yet unknown and very niche industry, if you take the right steps to learn a highly skilled trade and promote your business, you can become successful overnight with practically no investment if you already have the tools. So whether you're into the do-it-yourself thing or looking for a business opportunity, you will learn enough from this book to look forward to every single assembly project with the confidence that you know you will be building every project right the first time. My name is Mike Mehrle. I'm a professional assembly technician and now author of Beyond the Instruction, which will properly prime you to do it right as a do-it-yourselfer or, again, a professional assembly technician. And you've got my word on that.